Hello friends, welcome to LMS AA. Whenever you are reducing plagiarism in your research paper, the plagiarism must be reduced in a proper way by paraphrasing it without changing the core meaning of the content. That is the important point while reducing plagiarism. So there are many AI tools available in market, especially in order to paraphrase your content to reduce your plagiarism in your research paper. So in this video, I am going to show two important AI tools which will be very useful for you to reduce plagiarism and also paraphrase properly without changing the core meaning of the content in your research paper. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool and how you can use that AI tool to reduce plagiarism in your research paper. So the first tool what I am going to discuss today is that Quillbot. So whenever coming to paraphrasing, so the first option for everyone is Quillbot. So after the evaluation of Quillbot, so paraphrasing become very easier. It is one of the best paraphrasing tool available in the market where you can paraphrase the content properly. So for example, if you want to paraphrase any content, just to open that content and particular paragraph, just to copy this, go to the respective dashboard of this paraphrasing, and this different options are available. For free, you can do up to only 125 words only. For that, I am going to delete some of them. So here there are different options are available: standard, fluency, humanize, formal, academic, simple, creative, expand, shorten, custom, etc. So standard can be used by many of us for free. So here you can change the synonyms meaning also here, but it is up to a limited mark. Based upon that, the synonyms will change. So here this is the paraphrased version. So if you want to unlock, you must go for subscription option. Before that, so you can rephrase. So whatever you want, 3 times it will rephrase. So you can rephrase the content and you can use the same in your research paper also. So important thing is that, so after paraphrased your content, so you have to check once. You must check once. So because so there will be an abrupt change while paraphrasing in Quillbot for free. So whenever you are using for free, everything has to be used for limited, even the synonyms and also the standard format. Here after paraphrased your content, you must check once whether that paraphrased content is stick to the main paragraph concepts, so it does not deviate, that is, it does not deviate the core concept of the respective paragraph. So that is very important. So if it is paraphrased drastically, so it will change the whole meaning of that particular research paper also. Always care should be taken while paraphrasing your content. You can use the Quillbot and you can check once, and you can use the same in your research paper also. So in this way you can choose this academic tone, simple tone, creative tone, whatever the tone was, different tone you can select. Only if you can use that only if you subscribe for this respective Quillbot. You cannot use it for free. So for free you can use only standard, that is to up to 125 words for a single shot. And important thing is that the synonyms has to be limited for certain limit. There is fewer changes more accurate, more changes less accurate, like that. So it will be limited. So this is the important problem associated with Quillbot. So in order to paraphrase separately and reduce plagiarism without changing the core meaning of the content, so we have developed a tool called LMS AA. So you can go to lmssolution.net.in. You will be having an option called LMS AA. So just click on the option called LMS AA. So in this LMS AA, you will be having two different kinds of tools, paraphrasing and plagiarism reducer. So first I am going to click paraphrasing. So it leads to a dashboard like this here. So you can copy and paste the same content what we have given in Quillbot. So there is no certain restriction for the number of words in this respective template. You can use that is you can give a paragraph, full paragraph here, and then just click on paraphrase. Here the important point in this tool is that it will perfectly paraphrase the content, so without changing the core meaning of the content, and also it will stick to grammatical and language errors. So that is, it will avoid that grammatical and language errors also. Based upon that, this paraphrasing template is designed, and it is give you a perfect paraphrased template. You can use the same in your research paper also. So this is how you can use paraphrasing for academic reasons. So Quillbot, so many of the people use not only for research, also for common purposes. So based according that it will design. So here this AI template is especially designed for academic purpose. So it will stick to that particular concept present in this paragraph. Based upon that only it will paraphrase. That is the unique thing and specialty in this respective paraphrasing template. And also the important thing is that another AI template, so you can just go to AI template again. So in this you will be having an option called plagiarism reducer. This template is especially designed to carefully analyze the given paragraph, and it will reduce plagiarism in your research paper by paraphrasing accordingly. There is a difference between a paraphrasing template and a plagiarism reducer template. Here you can see the same kind of paraphrasing will be given, but it will stick to the concept present in this respective paragraph. The important thing is that it will reduce plagiarism in your research paper because the sentence will be shuffled to, that is to avoid the continuity that will check it by Turnitin. So you can do the plagiarism reduction in this respective template, because whenever you are going for plagiarism reduction, not only paraphrasing is enough. So you must shuffle the sentences. Based upon that only the continuity will be broken, and then it will reduce plagiarism. Important thing while doing this is that you have to stick to the core meaning of the content. This template is especially designed to do that, to reduce the plagiarism and also stick to the core meaning of the content. This is the unique thing in this plagiarism reducing plagiarism reducer AI template. This is how you can paraphrase your content and reduce plagiarism of your research paper and make your research paper a quality one, and make it as a simple process. So hope this video will bring an aware about how to use this paraphrasing and plagiarism reduction template wisely. This tool is especially designed for academic purpose, especially for research paper writing. So you can blindly use this template to reduce plagiarism in your research paper by using this. So hope this video will bring an aware about this template. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.